Now if the equations are given in this form, 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 is your first equation, and 17x plus 15y is your second equation. Okay, now here if you see both these equations properly, then you will know that coefficient of x in the first equation is exactly same as coefficient of y in the another equation. Similarly, coefficient of y in the second equation is same as coefficient of x in the first equation. Crossly, both the coefficients are same. Now, if such two equations are given, then first you have to do addition of both these equations. जर x चा कोएफिशियंट पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये आणि दुसऱ्या इक्वेशन मध्ये y चा कोएफिशियंट जर सेम आहे आणि तसंच पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये y चा कोएफिशियंट दुसऱ्या इक्वेशन मध्ये x चा कोएफिशियंट सेम आहे, तर पहिल्यांदा या दोनही इक्वेशन्सची यू हॅव टू डू ॲडिशन इन दिस वे. 15 plus 17x it will be 32x plus, now as both the along with the sign both the numbers are same, so here also it will be 32y and here also it will become 32 only. Now here if you see properly, 32x means 32 multiplied by x, 32y means 32 multiplied y is equal to 32. All the numbers are in proportionate to 32 only. बरोबर, 32 च्या पटीत टाइम्स ऑफ 32 ऑल द नंबर्स आर इन 32 च्या पटीत आहे, म्हणून दिस होल इक्वेशन इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाय 32. इट विल बिकम x. If 32x is to be divided by 32, it will remain x. Similarly over here y, and here 32 is to divided by 32, it will not be 0. Try to understand. Most of the students, they may write down as 0 over here. It will be 1. Okay, 32 divided by 32, it will be 1, and this will be your third equation. This will be your third equation. As you had done addition of both these equations first and you got x plus y is equal to 1 as the third equation. Now you have to subtract both the equation. As initially you had added those two equations, you have to now subtract. Now how to be subtracted? See, once again I am writing both these equations. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 minus, in between you have to put minus sign, minus 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Now as here I have put negative sign, I will have to change sign of all the terms in the second equation. Here it will become minus 17, minus 15 and minus 11. Okay, you have changed the signs. Now you will have to consider this second equation, whole second equation's number sign will be in the changed form. So here it will be 15x and minus 17x you have to consider. So answer will be C. Whenever one number is having positive sign, one number is having negative sign, we have to subtract smaller number from the greater number and sign of the greater number will be given. I repeat, whenever one number is having positive sign, one number is having negative sign, any number it may be negative sign, then we have to do subtraction. And what is to be subtracted by which number? Smaller number is to be subtracted by greater number. Sign of the greater number will be given, so it will be minus 2x. Similarly over here, 17y is having positive sign, 15y is having negative sign. Now this change sign you have to consider. 15y is having negative sign, again one sign is positive, one sign is negative. I will do subtraction. From 17 I will subtract 15 and sign of the greater number, that is sign of 17. So answer it here, it will be plus 2y. You are getting me? Okay, good boys. So here 21 minus 11, again here it will be 21 is having positive sign and 11 is having negative sign. We have to subtract and we have to put sign of 21. It will be 10. Okay, now we have to divide. See, again here also, as in the case of equation number 3, how you have got equation number 3? You had divided the whole equation by 32 because 32 is common in all the three cases, all the three terms. Here 2 is common in all the three cases. here you have to divide the whole equation by 2. It will remain minus x. You have divided by only 2 up plus 2. So it will remain minus x plus y is equal to 2 5s are 10. So this is your fourth equation. Have you got it? How you have got third equation, how you have got fourth equation, and now you have to write down this third equation and fourth equation one below the another. So it will be, I will write down below this only, third equation, x plus y is equal to 1. Now this x is having negative sign, this x is having positive sign. Obviously both these will get cancelled, and now y and y. I had told you earlier, whenever only y it has been given, it will be taken as 1y, and here also 1y. So 1y plus 1y, it will be 2y, and here it will be 5 plus 1, it will be 6. So y it is equal to, here again 2y means 2 multiplied by y. While going on another side, this 2 will become dividing, so value of y will be 3. Okay, you are getting me? Value of y, how we have got as 3, and then you have to put this value of y in equation number 3 either or in 4. You can put in the equation number 3 and 4. So if I have put the value of y in equation number 3, I will have x plus y is equal to 1 is my third equation, and here I will have to substitute this y with this 3. It will be 1 and x will be 1, and this 3 will become minus 3. So value of x, now again 1 is having positive sign, 3 is having negative sign. Again you have to say that if one sign is positive, one sign is negative, we have to subtract smaller number from the greater number, and sign of the greater number you have to put. So here it will be minus 2. As I have told you earlier, always you have to put the answer in bracket. First you have to write down value of x only, so it will become minus 2, and then value of y, so it will be 3. In this way the whole sum will be solved and you will get full marks. जर तुम्हाला माझं हे लेक्चर आवडलं असेल तर प्लीज 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 मला लाईक करा, तुमच्या मित्रांमध्ये शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईबही करा. खूप खूप धन्यवाद. आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम सेट नंबर 1 आपण पाहणार आहोत.